Hello everyone. In this video, I'm going to talk about the importance of body language in terms of sales and marketing. So research says the message you actually convey in a sales conversation is normally 55% non-verbal communication, which is in this case the body language, 38% is the tone of voice, and only 7% is the words that you actually use in your sales speech. People don't really care about the words that you're using. Generally, when we speak about something, we don't just use words, we also communicate volumes of information through the body language that we use. In fact, you could say body language is just as important as your verbal language. One really simple and super effective persuasive method is to match the body language of the person that you are really striving to persuade. In other words, try to generally use the same type of body language and the voice of the person that you are really trying to persuade. Obviously, you don't want to exactly mimic that person. You want to generally match the body language that they are using. So instead of arguing your point in your own way, you should copy the person you are talking to in terms of body language, voice volume, and even the words that they use. Of course, you need to be tactful when doing this. It's a subconscious way to make the person you're speaking with more comfortable. Like for example, if they use hand gestures, you can use hand gestures. If they sit up straight, try to match their posture, try to match your tone with them as well as their speaking speed. So this way you are showing that you are actively paying attention to them, right? So you need to communicate in a way that's eye catching as well as persuasive at the same time. So that's what I wanted to share with you. Thanks for watching. I will catch you in the next one.